I'm going to show you how to do something like what you see here. You want to select a small portion of your image. In this case, I've selected um, an ant that was crawling around the reproductive organs of this hibiscus flower, and I've scaled it up, or you might want to say magnified it, and created an inset within the same image. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So, I'll get rid of this. Not going to save it. I'm going to open the original image again. Where am I? 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 I'm looking for it. I'm not seeing very well. Okay, here we go. Alright. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to select the portion of the image that we want to scale up or magnify. I'm going to use the marquee tool. I found it easier to draw my nice little circle off to the side somewhere, then place your cursor inside that selection and move it to where you want to see it. And right click inside that selection and layer via copy. So we're going to make a copy of this selection, which appears here. So if you hid the background, now we only see the ant. Okay. Next thing we want to do. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put a border around this selection. And I'm going to do that by double clicking in the new layer. Actually, first I'm going to rename this layer. I'm going to call it Small Detail. Very small letters that are hard for me to read there. Okay, now I'm going to put a border around our selection. I'm going to double click on that layer. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, double clicking gets us to the layer style menu. And select stroke. Over here you got a preview of your, there's your color selection. And if you want to change the color of that border, or you want to change the thickness of it or the opacity, you can come back over here to your layers and double click on stroke. Actually, I guess we have to close that first. Oh wait. Alright, doing this again, selecting stroke. I'll say okay. Now I'm going to come back and double click on stroke. Here I can experiment with different colors. I like this color. Slide this bar to change thickness, or manually enter. change opacity. Alright, I'm liking it like this. So there you go. You can see that border now. Actually, I want to make it a little thicker. So I'm going to go back, double click on stroke again. Let's try maybe, let's try 18 pixels. See how we like that. Okay. Alright, now we've got our small selection. Now, our goal is to create a scaled up or magnified copy of that, which is going to be an inset. And to get that, you can right click on that layer, on our small detail layer, and duplicate the layer. And I'll call this one large detail. Large detail. There we go. Okay. So the large detail layer is superimposed over the small detail layer. So the large detail is just sitting right on top. So using the move tool, I'm going to grab the large detail layer, just slide it over. Alright, and with that selected, go into the edit menu, transform, scale, grab a corner and make it just as big as you like. While we're doing this, the resolution looks pretty bad in here, which is concerning, but I think we'll find that once we're done with this, the resolution improves automatically. Okay, I like how this looks. And the only thing left to do is to draw lines connecting the small detail to the large detail. And we can achieve this very easily by selecting the brush tool, which is right here. Push the option button on your keyboard and you'll see your cursor turning to this little dropper, which allows you to sample color. So I'm going to place it in that cyan bit of the border and click. Now you can see that's the color that my brush is working with. And to draw nice straight lines, I'm going to click on the edge of my small detail border, and I'm going to move over to where I want the line to go and push shift on my keyboard, hold shift, click, and you get a nice straight line connecting those 2 points. Alright, again, clicking here, choosing a spot over here, holding shift, clicking. Bam! Alright, that's it, folks. All you gotta do is save this, and now you can share it, amaze everyone with your talent and expertise. Alright, have fun, guys. See you next time.